Hi, Rioma here. 3 years ago, I was totally new to this, working a 9 to 5 and dreaming of earning extra cash online. Now, I make over $1,000 a month promoting products I love. Today, I'm sharing my favorite beginner trick, focusing on one type of product. It's super easy, and I'll walk you through why it works and how to start, step by step. Let's do this. Actually, it's just picking one specific product type to talk about, like tents for camping, yoga mats, or even portable chargers. Instead of promoting all kinds of stuff, you focus on one niche. For me, it was camping gear because I love hiking. This focus is like choosing a favorite hobby. It makes everything easier and more fun. Why is this awesome? First, people trust you more. When I share tips about tents, campers see me as their go-to guide, so they're more likely to buy through my links. Second, it's easier to get noticed online. Google loves specific topics, so my best lightweight tents post shows up higher than a random outdoor gear page. Plus, niche products can pay bigger commissions, sometimes 10% or more. And the best part? You build a loyal crew of fans who keep coming back. My camping blog started with 50 visitors a month, and now it's thousands, earning me $200, $470. All you need is just to choose one product you are excited about, then create an account and share something useful. At first, you'll get a few visitors, but keep sharing, and Google will start sending free traffic. Of course, if you want to make a fortune with just one account or one product, I can only tell you, don't dream. It may have been possible before, but now more and more people are starting to delve into this field. You can only stay focused and try to get a piece of the pie. If you are a very lucky person, you can ignore what I said. So how do I get over $1,000 a month? That's because I have many fields. I use many accounts to promote different products, and each account is vertical in only one field. That's great. Multiple income streams, right? But juggling all these totally different affiliate niches from one laptop or one phone, that's a huge red flag to Instagram, Meta, TikTok, or whoever you're advertising with. Platforms are smarter than ever. They track your IP address, cookies, browser behavior, even your screen resolution and language settings. So if you try to run totally unrelated campaigns from the same device, the system starts going, something feels off. And then all your accounts lock. I've been there. It sucks. That's why I try to use the anti-detect browser MoreLogin. It lets you run separate browser profiles, each one with its own unique digital fingerprint. That means no more cookie clashes, no more account bans, and a whole lot more peace of mind. It's a game-changer for folks in affiliate marketing, e-commerce, social media management, and other niches. With millions of users and partnerships around the world, MoreLogin has proven that managing multiple online identities doesn't have to be risky or complicated. So, let's take a look at how this browser actually works. First, search for MoreLogin and register an account. Enter your account. Also, you can sign up directly through Google account. Then, download and install MoreLogin. This takes some time. Be patient, and once it's done, log into your account. If you use the link I provide, you'll get 150 free profiles for 14 days. Otherwise, you can only get 2 free profiles. Next, create a new profile on the home page. You can choose Chrome or Firefox, and browser versions are also available, but it is recommended to choose the latest one. MoreLogin is available for Windows, Mac OS, Android, and iOS operating systems. You can also customize fingerprint information. Proxy supports custom editions or direct purchases on the platform. If you have self-proxy like me, just enter the proxy info. Here, just paste all info in. It will automatically recognize and fill in, and check the proxy. Pass. After that, you can also pre-add account information and import cookies to quickly migrate data from other fingerprint browsers. Once all the information is filled in, click Confirm, and then click Start to begin. You can create more profiles to test them out. Each profile will have different languages, fingerprints, and time zones. Log into your different YouTube accounts in each profile, and you can easily manage them. And that's it. An account focuses on one product type. Pick something you love, share helpful tips, and watch your earnings grow. Want help picking your product or setting up your blog? drop a comment below, and I'll reply with tips just for you. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more beginner guides. Let's make money together. See you next time.